Guys, I'm here again in Marilog. Oh my god, Nasilay swimming pool. They have a big swimming pool over there. Oh, I love it. And this is the area. Okay, now the name is a little bit funny in Filipino because it's very funny. Look. Yes, guys. It's Vowvolun. I know, but look at the area, it's so green. See, pine trees everywhere. And look at the water. Oh my god, I could have a raft. My goodness, that is a very nice one. And this is the first swimming pool. Okay, there's a repainting going on. And there are cottages everywhere. Look! Oh my god! Again, the bridge. Look at the bridge. Guys, it's running water. It's running water, but it's so green. I don't know why. Maybe because of the sun. Cottages for rent. And there is a function hall. Sari store. Oh my god, it's like a forest. Guys, it's Vowvolun. Wow. Okay, there's some cottages for those who want to swim. Wow. Another hanging bridge. Oh my god. Look, it's a hanging bridge, guys. It's a hanging bridge. Yes. Look. Why need to go far to Mati if you can have this? Oh my god, amazing. Wow.
Diyan kami nag-stay.
There's an overnight here.
Dati, patag pa yan siya. Wala pang ganyan.
Going to see the source of the water.
Table namin. Dito kami lang.
And there is a gate bulb.
Malalim yun doon na area. Ewan ko, paniguan pa yun dyan.
And then there is a warning. No entry. Yes. Look at this beautiful. Wow. This is like a cafeteria. Smiling every day. Paint your own dreams. Wow. Look at this. The view. Wow. This This is Arakan, guys. Guys, look at the view. This is Arakan. We stopped in a restaurant.